Bubbles!
Where did these come from?
Let's go see! Oh, what is that? It's making a strange sound. It feels like glass. I wonder what it does. Look, it's the magical bubble spiral. Don't worry, I'll protect you. We need to stop it, together.
That looks like a festival signal.
We've got a problem.
Oh, someone understands.
Meow? Whoa, it's guiding us. I think it's this way. The map says we're close. All right, team, let's go! The wind is too strong this way. Don't worry, I'll block it. Oh, my whiskers, it's so windy. Hold tight, team. Just a little further. Meow! Meow! Do you hear that? Music? Oh, that's our next clue. What is that? Look, footprints. Not ours. Help! Festival. It's not just a signal. It's a call. Meow! I found it. Keep going. The map says we're close. What is that light? Oh my. Whoa! Hurry! Thanks, Smarty. We did it. We don't rush. We follow the glow pulse. Right. I'll be brave. It's close. That sound. It's music. Are you calling for help? Oh, no. Poor Lily. Don't worry, we'll help you. You need water and calm air, like the Bubble Festival Tower. Meow, team mission. You can do it. Focus on the energy. We're here for you. Itter's thirsty. No water comes his, no stable bubbles. Meow. We need to find water.
We'll bring you water. We won't leave you alone.
Team mode. ON. Meow! Careful! You got this!
Nice save.
We can start here. Great idea, Rabbit. Meow? Clack! Clack, clack! I brought a water carrier. Perfect container. Now we're stronger. Fill the coconut shell. Carry it carefully. Take slow steps. Salute! Don't spill. We did it! Hooray! I'll carry it.
Good teamwork.
Come on, it's just a little further.
Let's be careful. The water is important.
Don't worry, I've got it. We're almost there. Oh no.
Don't drop it.
I got you. Thanks. Perfect control. Hooray! We did it. We need a wind block plan.
We become the shield. We've got this. Thanks, team.
Teamwork wins. Meow. Meow. Yep. What was that? Someone is in trouble.
Oh my, I'm scared.
A dolphin in the lagoon. Hello.
Are you helping the musical Lily?
Yes, she's thirsty and the festival signal is fading.
Then I know what to do. Follow me.
Woof. Meow. Keep going, Bubbles.
Wow, look at that!
Almost there, friends. Careful, almost there.
Step, step, step. Oh, so close. It's working. Keep pouring. Oh, wow. It worked.
We did it!
Oh, my goodness. We can see again. Oh, thank goodness.
You're glowing again. Thank you.
Great Bubble Festival.
Build the Tower of Unity
Before sunset.
Oh my! We can do it! Black sea materials! Perfect base supports! Team Unity Tower! Near the stream, stable and calm. Meow, meow, meow! Here's the stable base. Perfect! Let's make sure it's strong.
Ready.
Meow!
I'll block the wind.
Now, gently. Keep pushing! Almost there. Careful, a little to the left. Yes, that's it. Uh-oh, stronger wind. Be careful, they're gonna pop. No sudden moves. I'll block the wind.
Pop out.
Meow. Oh no.
We can rebuild.
It sounds scary.
Stay together. We protect the tower.
We need a plan.
We have to hold the line.
Nice control.
All right, this should do it. Hang in there, everyone.
Yes.
That's just perfect, Yellow Dog. Perfect teamwork. These ones are stronger.
Guide them in. I'll stack the middle. I've got the base. Keep going. We did it. Yes. Why did the water move?
Whoa.
Look, look. 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 Meow. If the wave hits, tower will fall.
Stay with me. We protect it together.
I won't let it touch the
Wave and wind means tower fall. I'll guide Bubbles inward. You keep the bottom steady. Block the first splash. Got it. Ready, go.
Hold steady. Hold steady. Woof.
Meow. Don't touch too hard.
Don't touch too hard.
We did it. Keep focusing just a little more. I did it. Come back. Stay together. Oh, come on. Yeah.
I'm okay. Keep building. Keep building. Top is dropping.
Bloop, bloop, bloop. Catch these. Strong ones. Thanks, Bubbles. We're on it. Yes. Locked. We did it. Team Unity. We did it. The magical Bubble Festival is saved.
listening to Leah's song.
It's alive with friendship. Step, step, spin. Swish, swish. Meow, meow. Bounce, bounce.
We didn't do it alone. We did it together.
No matter the storm, I will always protect my friends.
It feels safe. This is friendship magic.
It does.
We did it! Look, look!
Oh my! What's that? A new adventure.
Amazing! Meow wow!
We're floating. Stay calm. Hold on.
Look, the whole island.
This is our victory view.
A message.
What does it mean? Next adventure, Rainbow Reef! We're not done yet. Wherever the map takes us, we go together.
Always together. Meow meow! Let's go!
That was silly. Ready when you are.
We made it! Wow! That was fun!
The Magical Bubble Festival. Next, the Rainbow Reef Adventure.
Yes!